Okay, if you remember from the Prokon Geek slab detailing 101, getting preview with slab detailing short concise lessons, we had some slabs that we had drawn for you, and one of them, if we go and just go to this point, was 8,000 by 10,000. And I just want to show you how you actually get to draw something like this in Prokon Padds, where you actually use dimensions to get your actual rectangle, or you draw a rectangle that is actual dimensions as opposed to just an arbitrary rectangle. So without wasting too much time, that is what we want to look at in this video. So all you have to do is just go back into Prokon Padds, and once you come to Prokon Padds, the good way you want to get everything drawn is just to say, first thing is just create your construction lines. Go to where it says line, then your crosshair, then click on there, and what you want to do is now to offset these construction lines. The first thing that we're going to do is offset the horizontal line. And in this case, it was offset by, if we go back, that is 10,000. So we're going to LP. Let me just LP again. Select the line. And in this case, just type 10,000 and just offset it downward. Now we want to offset the vertical line. All you have to do is LP. Then offset this one by 8,000. And there you go. Once you've done it like this, the next thing is just to go to where it says LB or L box, and then you create your box. And in this case, you have created a rectangle that has a dimension of 8 by 10. Now, we just want to confirm if this is correct. So in the next video, we're going to show you how to dimension your rectangles or your geometry.